Welcome everyone to today's episode in which we'll be looking at quadratic functions. So we are getting this from a 2022 GCE paper 1, and the question says the diagram shows a sketch of the graph of y is equal to 3 minus 2x minus x squared, which is passing through the points A, B, and C. And the question is saying find the coordinates of the points A and C. Question 2, find the turning point of the graph. So now, to find the coordinates of the points A and C, what is important to understand is that A and C are on the x-axis. That simply means A and C are the x-intercepts. So at each and every x-intercept, the value for y is equal to 0. So we get our function. We say y is equal to 3 minus 2x minus x squared. So where is y? We will replace with a 0 because at x-intercept, y is always equal to 0. So we say 0 is equal to 3 minus 2x minus x squared. So at this point, it automatically becomes a quadratic equation of which we should solve it for x. So we will use the factorization method where we find the product, the sum, and the factors. So the product in this case will become negative 3, the sum negative 2, and the factors will be negative 3 and 1. Two values such that when you multiply them, you get negative 3. When you add them, you get the sum, which is negative 2. So get the factors, replace them here. So the value of 0 is equal to 3 minus 3x plus x minus x squared. So the value of, here we factorize now, this part alone and that part alone. So the value of 0 is equal to 3, open the bracket, 1 minus x close, plus x, open the bracket, 1 minus x. So at this point, it simply means 1 minus x is equal to 0, or 3 plus x is equal to 0. So at this point, the value of x equals to 1, or x is equal to negative 3. So these are the values of x at A and C. Now you can see that there's a positive one and there's a negative one. So the positive one will be automatically for C. The negative one will be automatically for A. So therefore, point A has coordinates negative 3, 0, and point C has coordinates 1, 0. Because at x-intercept, the value for y is always equal to 0. That's why we have zeros as the values for y. So going to question 2, which says find the turning point of the graph. So to find the turning point, what is important there is to understand that they're looking for the value for x and y at the turning point there. So begin by finding the value for x by using the formula x equals to negative b over 2a. So x equals to negative. The value for b in our function will be negative 2 divided by 2 multiplied by the value for a in our function will be negative 1. So x is equals to a value of positive 2 divided by negative 2. So therefore, x equals to negative 1. Now, this is the value for x at the turning point. So we use the same value for x to find the corresponding value for y in the function given. So we put that figure here. So the value of y is equal to 3 minus 2. Where is x? We put negative 1 minus negative 1 squared. So y is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 1. So therefore, y is equal to, that is 4. So this simply means this value and this value, they make a coordinate. So therefore, the turning point is negative -1, 4. So this is the turning point of the graph. Now, in some questions, they will even go further to ask you to find maybe the minimum or maximum value of the function. So the minimum or maximum value of the function simply means the value of y at a turning point. So in this case, our graph is facing down, meaning it has a maximum value. So it simply means maximum value is the value of y we have found, which is 4. Thank you. So if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing and hit the bell for new videos of such kind. Thank you.